You've just spent 20 minutes getting ready. You look in the bathroom mirror and you feel confident. Your hair is right, your skin looks clear, and you feel like yourself. But then someone snaps a photo of you. Or worse, you open the front-facing camera on your phone. Suddenly, you don't recognize the person looking back. Your face looks lopsided, your features look off, and you feel a sudden wave of self-loathing. You wonder, is that what I actually look like? Have I been lying to myself this whole time? Most of us believe that the camera is the truth and the mirror is a lie, but the reality is exactly the opposite. Your mind had a reason for hating that photo. It's a psychological phenomenon called the mere exposure effect, and it's proof that your brain is addicted to a version of you that doesn't actually exist. Today, we're going to look at the science of why you hate your own face and why the camera is the ultimate gaslighter. To understand why you hate photos of yourself, we have to look at how your brain builds trust. In psychology, the mere exposure effect states that we develop a preference for things simply because we are familiar with them. Since you were a child, the only way you have seen your own face is in a mirror. But a mirror provides a reversed image. You have spent thousands of hours looking at a flipped version of your features. Because human faces are naturally asymmetrical, one eye is slightly higher, one side of the mouth curves differently, your brain has normalized your reversed face. To your mind, the mirror version of you is the safe version. When you see a photograph, you are seeing your face the way the rest of the world sees it, unflipped. Because this version is slightly different from the one in your head, your brain's amygdala flags it as a threat or an error. You don't look bad in the photo, you just look wrong to a brain that is obsessed with the familiar. It's not just your psychology that's working against you, it's the hardware in your pocket. Most smartphone cameras use a wide-angle lens. These lenses are designed to fit as much information into the frame as possible, but they come with a hidden cost lens distortion. When you take a selfie from 2 feet away, the lens slightly stretches the center of the image. This makes your nose look larger, your forehead look wider, and your ears look smaller than they are in real life. Professional portrait photographers use an 85mm lens because it flattens the face and represents human proportions accurately. Your smartphone does the opposite. Your mind had a reason for the body dysmorphia you feel when looking at a selfie. You are literally looking at a funhouse mirror version of yourself. You aren't unphotogenic. You are just being distorted by a piece of glass the size of a pea. This self-hatred doesn't stop at your face. It's in your ears too. Why do we all cringe when we hear a recording of our own voice? It's the same biological glitch. When you speak, you hear your voice through bone conduction. The sound travels through the bones of your skull directly to your inner ear, which adds a bass boost and a richness to the sound. But a recording only captures the air-conducted sound, the higher, thinner frequencies that everyone else hears. When you hear yourself on tape, your brain thinks, "That sounds like a stranger." Your mind had a reason for the cringe response. It's the uncanny valley effect. You are encountering a version of yourself that is almost right, but not quite, and that almost creates an instinctive feeling of disgust. The reason this obsession is so dangerous is that we live in a digital-first world. We spend more time looking at our distorted camera selves than our actual selves. We begin to believe the lens more than the mirror. But healing begins when you realize that your face is not a static image. You are a moving, breathing, expressive being. The people who love you don't see the lopsided photo or the thin voice. They see the gestalt, the whole person. Your mind had a reason for the mirror obsession. It was trying to protect your identity. But you are more than a reflection. The next time you hate a photo of yourself, remember, it's not a failure of your face. It's just a glitch in your brain's software. You are the only person in the world who thinks you look strange. To everyone else, you just look like home.